You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.
I've got chronic pain in my jaw, probably a 6 or 7 out of 10. Can't open my mouth and have a lot of throbbing.
You said you have ear symptoms. What kind of symptoms?
Sensitivity to sound and perforated eardrum as well.
How long has this been going on?
8 weeks.
Where do you feel the pain right now?
Inside my ear,
Mhm.
down along my jaw.
And is it constant or comes
No,
and
it's
goes?
constant.
Okay, what happened this last weekend?
Couldn't sleep. Pain was getting excruciating.
Let's take your range of motion first, then do the treatment and take it again. Nice and tall. Okay. Open your jaw. About 2.5 years. Let's line your back. Everything should be pain-free. If you feel any pain with what I'm doing, make sure you let me know, okay?
Okay.
All right. So tender here?
Yeah.
Yep, that's very painful, okay. Tender here?
Yeah.
And you said your pain level is 7 out of 10? Sharp, dull, aching? Sharp pain, and you feel it's like radiating this way?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Relax. Is it okay to mess up your makeup?
Yeah, that's fine. I don't have anything on.
You said you're clenching your teeth at night?
Yeah.
Did you wear night guard?
I did, but it doesn't fit.
Is it okay to work inside your mouth? Is it painful what I'm doing?
A little bit, not that though.
You feel the tightness here?
Uh-huh.
It should move like this. It's really tight. Then you had trauma?
No.
Sports injury?
No.
Okay. Relax. Thumb up if you feel any pain. Okay. Open your mouth. Close. It's very tight. Don't bite me. Relax. So it's very sensitive. Let me try the other side. You're not ready to work on that side.
A little bit right there.
Okay. We'll work outside. Okay, remember the scar tissue? Okay. Squid toward me. Let me know if you feel any pain. That's relax. It looks like a hammer, but it's just nothing.
Okay.
You feel that? It's okay.
A little painful.
What about this?
No, that's painful.
Is that painful here?
No.
So you're very sensitive in this.
No.
So, do you get headache from that?
I haven't really noticed a lot of headaches, just pain.
Alright. Is it painful what I'm doing here or no?
Yeah,
Push my hand here with your head. Like so. How does it feel?
better.
Tender here?
Yeah.
You feel those knots? Shrug your shoulders toward me. Shrug, 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 shrug. And relax. Yeah.
Better.
Tender here.
Yeah.
Okay. And relax it again. How does it feel now?
Better.
Tender here.
Not really.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay. And relax again. How does it feel now?
Better.
More on the left or right?
More on the left.
Side. Okay. How does it feel now?
Still a little tender on the left side.
Feel it more here.
Yeah.
You're gonna feel cold, okay?
Okay.
Do you feel any pain behind your eye, the left one?
No.
Okay. I'm glad you don't have headache from that. How does it feel now?
Better.
Okay, sit up for me. Lightheaded?
A little bit.
Okay.
Thank you.
So I want you to open your jaw and tell me how do you feel?
Better.
Mm-hmm. So it was 2.5 before. Let's see how much. Wow, that's 3.5.
Wow.
How's that? Any pain, discomfort
Still right there on my inside.
inside of your ear,
Ow.
but we're able to open wider. Okay. Right inside here or right inside here?
Right in there. This
Right.
one, yeah.
Nice. Okay, let's line your back. Open this on the side.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah. I'm ready for the bear. So we'll go. Let me know if you feel any discomfort. Is that normal? We usually open your jaw wider. The norm is 3.5 to 4.5. Now you are on 3.5 centimeters.
Yeah.
Do you feel you can open wider? No, your norm is opening wider.
I can open it usually wider.
Let's see if we can get you there. Sorry.
It's okay.
Sit up. Okay. How's that?
Better.
You feel tightness or it's gone?
Still a little tight.
How is your pain now?
Just a sore right there.
Just that spot, not the whole thing.
No.
Okay, just that spot. How much soreness from 0 to 10?
I'd say like a 4 or 5.
4 or 5. Just in that spot.
Yeah.
Let's drink some more water. What about the fullness in the ear?
I don't feel anything.
That's gone. Okay, is it okay to work inside your ear?
Yeah.
Line your back. Okay. And can I put my? Is it too much?
No.
Okay, sit up for me. How's that feel? Lightheaded again, or you're fine?
No, I'm okay.
Okay. How's that?
A lot better.
It's gone or still feel it?
It's still there.
How much?
It's not bad.
0 to 10?
Probably.
Look at the in the same spot.
Yeah, just that right inner spot.
How you feel that tightness here? Not surprised with all this tightness with clenching and grinding. Very typical to have these symptoms. Is that too much? Okay. So for me, I want you to open and close and tell me how that feel. How's that? Still feel sore?
It's still sore, but better than it was a minute ago.
Okay. How much from 0 to 10?
Probably 2.
Okay. But nothing in here. Do you feel you're opening your nose?
No, I feel like I'm opening my normal now.
Your normal. Okay, let me see what is your normal. Okay, so we start with 2.5 centimeters.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.